Spicy seafood wontons. A main dish from China. Serves 4. You will need 10 ingredients. Step 1. A splash of Tabasco spices up these tasty appetizers. Step 2. Combine first 5 ingredients in food processor or blender until smooth. Step 3. Add 2 teaspoons of this filling to the middle of a wonton wrapper, fold in half over the mixture, and seal edges. Step 4. Heat oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Step 5. Place wontons in skillet and cook just until lightly browned on both sides. Step 6. Gradually pour water into skillet, cover immediately. Step 7. Allow to steam 1 minute. Step 8. Drain wontons with slotted spoon. Step 9. Serve immediately. Country reports, culture, countries, travel.